Today we are going to test Mobil SHC 634. This is their Supreme Performance Synthetic Circulating and Gear Oil. This has a viscosity of 460. What we will be testing it in is our cross-axis machine. It's a friction testing machine that lets us test oils to see how well they perform. Okay, I have now added our Mobil SHC 634 to our little sump, and we are going to now test this oil. I am going to add some pressure. I'm adding 5 pounds of pressure. As you can see, no change. Now, when I add more pressure, look at the amperage and look at the smoke. I am only putting on maybe 15 pounds of pressure. And look at the smoke. It's absolutely smoking and smoking. Look at the amperage. Look at the smoke. This oil, and this is happening at 15 pounds of pressure. And look at the smoke that's coming off of it. I want to turn this off so that I can show you the damage that has happened to the bearings. It has had severe damage. Notice the damage on the race bearing, and I now want to show you the damage that is on our roller bearing. And you saw the smoke that was coming off of it. And that was only with 15 pounds of pressure being put on in seconds. You can see how damaged the roller is, and you can see how damaged that the race bearing is. And again, this is with their premium oil, or I should say their supreme oil. Their supreme performance oil. Again, notice the damage. Notice the damage on the race bearing. I'm going to take and put our machine back together again here. Make sure we get this put back together again properly. There we go. Saw the smoking. Having a little bit of polytron in there. A little bit of polytron has now been added in. Notice the amperage without anything. That's our amperage with no pressure on it. Polytron has been added in. Notice our torque wrench. And now I'm going to add some pressure. I want you to take a look at the amps. No amps are being pulled. There is no smoke. And I am giving this 25 pounds of pressure or better. This is the power of polytron. There is no smoke, none whatsoever, and I am absolutely putting lots and lots of pressure on here, and I'm doing something called shocking it. And again, this is with the Polytron added to the SHC 634. There's the damage on the roller bearing and the damage on the race bearing. You saw that damage. It happened within literally seconds of this test being started. What I'm going to do next is I will take our roller bearing and I will move it so that, and I will clean off our race bearing so that we have a fresh race and a fresh roller. Okay, I have now changed out I have now switched our roller bearing over. You can see the damage here, and you can see that there is no damage on this side. And you can see that our race has been completely cleaned off and that we have a damage-free surface. Again, we have the Polytron and the Mobil SHC 634 460 viscosity gear oil in our oil bag. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some pressure to this. And you can see that I am applying pressure. You hear no grinding whatsoever. Absolutely none. There's no amps being drawn. There's no smoke. And again, this is the Polytron and the Mobil. No amps, no smoke. The Polytron, see what the Polytron is doing is it has literally bonded itself, attached itself, and attached itself to the metal, and through heat and friction, it has penetrated the metal, and we have now produced our new layer of metal. And again, no extra amps being pulled, no smoke, and I am just absolutely cranking on this thing. No amps, no smoke. I am keeping pressure applied on it. You can see that I am doing that. You can literally watch the machine go up and down as I apply pressure on it. I have been applying pressure now for probably a couple minutes. The damage that happened originally happened within seconds. This is the power of Polytron and how it works. Again, with our two products together. Now I'm going to show you, turn our machine off here. That's not that bad, that's not that hot. You can see there's barely any scarring there whatsoever. And the same on our race bearing. I'll take and wipe this off. You'll be able to see it just a little bit better. Can you see the ring that is formed? That is where the metallurgic reaction has happened. And this is what makes Polytron so unique in comparison to other lubricants that are out there today and other additive type packages. Let's see if we can, there we go. Now we can see the, you can see the very, very small polished area. And again, polished on the ring. First we're going to add a little bit of this, some dirt. So we'll take and we'll dump a little dirt in there. Actually, quite a bit of dirt. We will let that mix around in there a little bit. So we've let that mix in a little bit there. That looks pretty filthy, doesn't it? And again, I have no pressure on there at the moment. And notice, I'm now applying pressure. still keeps on operating just fine with the Polytron product because of how the metallurgic process is taking place. This oil would not stand up to anything anywhere near this. I am right now at 25 pounds of pressure. And still, no smoke, no change in the amperage, and we've added dirt. Now, we're going to add some water into our mix. Show you this is water, and I'm now going to add some water into the mix. You just add a little bit of a little more. There we go. Take a look at that. What a mess! Now it's flinging stuff out. And again, we have water and we have dirt added into the Mobil SHC 634 and the Polytron. And there's no smoke, there's no amperage draw whatsoever. Polytron is absolutely doing its job. And take a look at how filthy this is. That is just filthy, filthy, filthy. And again, no amperage being pulled, 25 pounds of pressure on it. And Polytron just keeps it right on working away. I will show you what our damage is not. Going from this to this. That is the power of Polytron.